was that sunrise. Wow. That's gorgeous.
Hi everybody, I'm Carrie.
I'm Patrick.
And welcome to the Old Critters. This week, we're just doing some miscellaneous things to prepare for this next week, which is going to be floor joists, which is exciting to me.
Joy, oh joy.
Yeah, boy, finally. But today we're going to bury the pipe that we just did, well, you just did. And we've got a couple other chores that we're going to need to do. Our cats are driving us nuts. It was, the shelf idea was good, and they use it, but they dive bomb us.
Yeah.
In the middle of the night. We have 12 cats, if you don't know. They're all related. In the description, it tells you all about it. But we're going to move them and separate some of the longest one, and put them up on the other side where the shelves are going to be.
Yeah.
Because they're
where they can't launch from there to the
they're
bed.
launching literally around in circles and waking us up constantly, going in and out of the windowsill. So we're gonna have to eliminate that racetrack at night. Normally they're very good, and we don't even hear them most nights. But when it's hot during the day, so they sleep.
Yeah.
And at night that's a racetrack.
Yeah, they run track for sure.
All right, let's get going before the heat comes.
Back to work.
It's gonna hug that side, but it doesn't.
Yeah, I know.
It's okay.
Hang on with the pipe and put her on down.
Voila. You just don't make sense.
Here.
Yeah.
Pretty good for right now.
Yeah.
That's going down.
That's going down now. Okay, let's do this. I'd rather fill holes than dig them. Whoops, I keep hitting this shovel. Sound like I'm on a chain gang. Bang! This middle here, I need to start taking from this middle.
I know, because some of the spots are high.
Yeah.
Mainly right where you're standing.
Yep.
In that area.
Still gotta fill that in over there.
Here, take this one.
Here, I'll throw some of this dirt. I'll throw it over by you.
That's all right. Just run. I can get all this.
Here.
I'll just throw it down. You're all right.
That way it gives you extra dirt.
I have extra
To
dirt.
fill that there. Okay, well, we're almost half done. I knew it wouldn't take too long. We have to flatten this area so the floor joists don't hit the dirt. Done. Mellows, you come here, mommy. Come here, say hi to everybody. We got the air conditioner on. We're about to take those down. But man, it's 100 degrees today. Sitting up there. Yeti, your shelf's coming down. It's going to be replaced over here, Bubba. This is Yeti, my baby, my infant. Hi, Jack. Hi, Jack. Hi, CaptainJack. Yeti is not approving of you removing his throne. Are you, Bubba?
Yeah. Coming your way, buddy.
Papa's coming. You better move. We're not totally taking everything down. It's just going to be in a different spot.
He's getting the message now. Hey,
You go, honey.
just sit right there.
Go ahead, honey. No, he'll go. He knows that you're taking that down. He's smart. Yeah, for now that's where it's going to have to go. I'll come hold the middle.
Is that high enough?
Yeah, it's perfect. There we go. Now you got it.
Cut a little bit off there. So they're going to be about so big?
Yeah, they're just going to be individual purchase.
I mean, I can give you a guideline to go by.
Why do I need that? These are so small.
Okay.
Voila. Voila. Do you like that, Madeline? Did Papa do a good job? Yeah, it's just for you, fat cat. She's our biggest cat at 16 pounds. She's the queen and the aunt of everyone, aren't you? How you like it, Lily? We're having a little unstable issue. So Paddock's gonna, this is hours later. We're gonna get the braces underneath there now because some of our cats are kind of a wide load. A little bit heavier than others, and so we want them to be safe. Are you loving it? Is it good? Yeah. Good, good, good. All stable now, huh? Hi, Festus. Kind of a short day, which is good.
Covered up the drain pipe, and it's looking pretty good so far.
And did the shelves, and that's all we were doing today. But thanks for coming with us. We appreciate you, and if you would, we would love for you to subscribe, hit the bell for notification, and most of all, you can help us by giving us a thumbs up,
Comment and share,
and that'll help us a lot. Okay, thanks for watching, and until we're together again, if you have to,
hunker down.